boats. It used to be up by the house. Way over there. So I'm not making anybody's decision. There's pretty wet out there. That's just a little bit of it. This is the view from our front of our house. Yesterday, that little tree, let's see if I can point to it, right there was underwater. And it went all the way up to our neighbors there. This is the van that got me through the rain. It's actually did pretty. I don't know if you can see, it's now getting foggy out here. It kind of stinks. No telling what's in all that water. This is now about 6:30 tonight. Water's creeping back up. Our playset is finally kind of drained a little bit. And our little river through our backyard is kind of subsided. Rain has finally stopped for a little bit. It's rained from about 12:30 till just a few minutes ago. This is from the girls' bedroom window up on the second story. Get a better view of the devastation and our new lakefront property. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Let's see, that little red and green thing over there is the slide that used to be in our play set the kids always played with. There's our flood. And that right there is our neighbor's tiller. It was on the ground. And you see his steps are underwater. He has the lovely garden. It's now underwater. That's our strawberry patch right there. It was underwater yesterday. And hopefully won't get up underwater, but we'll see. That's the corner of our property, that bush thing right there.